Hello guys, you are watching Innovating channel. So today my topic is about Canva, another tutorial. So in this tutorial I will tell you how you can create a presentation on Canva. So guys, let me go on the Canva and will tell you how you can write a presentation. So you can see this is the Canva dashboard. So here is a slider in which I have a presentation section. So I will click to here. Okay, so guys, that will depend on you in which niche you want to create a presentation. So guys, this is a very high and very worthable skill. So this skill demand I will tell you now. On the Fiverr, you can go on this there and just click switch to buying, and you can type here price. Okay guys, I have presentation type here. So guys, you can see this is a very famous skill. Here is complete seller in this skill available like this one. So this person has completed 1k plus orders on this on the Fiverr. This same niche like PowerPoint presentations. So guys, here is too many templates available. You will need just choose your template and put to there your content, and you should say replace their content with your content. Okay guys, so I will tell you which. So I need to presentation relate fitness. Okay, you can see here is so many presentations available about fitness. So in this presentation I would like to use this one presentation. Okay guys, this one will be our cover page for presentation. You should you could change this text. You can type there your company name like MS Fitness. Okay, so you will need to another slide. You can just put this one. So now you need a related exercise. You can add this slide on this. Okay, you can this is a lower fiction text. You can put their content, relate your audience, relate your presentation. So guys, also that depends how many slides you want in your presentation. So this is the same process for all these slides. So guys, when you have completed the presentation, you will need it download. So there is so many sizes you want to download. You can download in the GPG, PNG, PDF, uh, PDF print. Okay guys, you will need to download in this PDF section. You can just download within of the minute. You can get this presentation. Okay, look guys, it's easy. So guys, this is a skills is presentation. This is a non-ignorable skill. If you want to if you want to earn money in the month, you can just this one skill. You can just learn this skill. So you get a most revenue. So guys, please have a practice. See you in the next video.